Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix camera not working on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. After restarting, enter phone pin, but if it not solved, click on camera app, go back and refresh. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on apps. Click on app management. After you click on app management, scroll down and click on camera app. After you click on camera app, click on storage usage. Click on clear cache. After you click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera not working on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.